In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get NordVPN coupon code via affiliate marketing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to join the program, access your affiliate tools, grab your coupon or referral link, and share it in a way that actually earns commissions. Let's start with the foundation, joining the NordVPN affiliate program. Head to the official NordVPN site and look for their affiliate or partners page. You'll be asked for basic details about your content channels, like your website, social profiles, or the type of audience you reach, so NordVPN can confirm you're a good fit. Take a moment to read the terms and conditions, including rules around brand usage and paid ads, so you stay compliant from day one. Submit your application and watch for an approval email. Approval times can vary, so don't worry if it takes a little while. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. Log in and familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll typically find a section for promotional materials, a place to generate or copy your links, and reporting to track clicks, conversions, and payouts. If available, secure your account with two-factor authentication and complete your payout profile so commissions can be sent without delays. Spend a few minutes exploring the reports area. You'll rely on it to see what's working. Now it's time to find your coupon code or referral link. In the dashboard, look for offers or promotions. Some campaigns include a unique coupon code you can share, which customers apply at checkout for a discount. Others center on a referral link with tracking parameters that attribute sales to you automatically. You can usually copy the link directly or generate a deep link to a specific landing page. Before sharing, test your link in a private browser window to make sure it loads correctly and preserves tracking. If the platform offers sub-IDs, use them to label where you'll share the link, like YouTube description or newsletter, so your reporting is clear. Finally, share your code or link to earn money. Embed it naturally in content your audience already trusts. Tutorials, reviews, setup guides, or comparison posts. Always disclose that it's an affiliate link to stay transparent and compliant with platform and program policies. Avoid spammy posts and focus on value. Explain why you recommend NordVPN, highlight real benefits, and point viewers to the exact plan or page that fits their needs. Keep an eye on your dashboard, adjust your messaging based on what converts, and update links when promotions change. That's it. Join, access, find your code or link, and share thoughtfully to start earning.